Mow, 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 here comes Todd, zooming in with his grassy squad. Todd wakes up with the morning sun, hat on his head and he's ready to run. Grabs his mower, gives a cheer. The grass is tall, but I'm right here. Who cuts fast and neat and clean? Todd the Lawn Man, mowing machine. Who makes stripes in the grass so grand? Oh, Todd the Lawn Man with mower in hand. Go, Todd, go! Todd the Lawn Man, riding proud, zooms through grass with his engine loud. Trimming edges, sweeping wide, with the leaf blower by his side. Todd the Lawn Man, lawn so neat, leaves no clippings on the street. Buzzing blades and grassy cheer, he's the lawn hero of the year. Todd's got tools for every job, clippers, sprayers, and a corn on the cob. Wait, no, that's his lunch break snack. Then he's back to trimming every track. Oh, vroom, 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 we're snip, snip, blow. Watch that grass go down real low. He'll rake it up, toss the leaves. Todd's got tricks tucked in his sleeves. With kids